Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel. Today is all about Google Maps and how to turn it into your personal travel superpower with 10 of the best tricks every traveler should know. Whether you're planning a big international trip or a weekend getaway, these tips will help you save data, avoid getting lost, and discover better places to eat, stay, and explore. Let's jump into it. Number 1, download offline maps. When you're traveling, you won't always have great signal or cheap data, so the first trick is to download offline maps for your destination. Search for the city or region, tap the 3 dots or more, select Download Offline Map, and save the area you'll be exploring so you can still navigate without a connection. Number 2, create saved lists for your trip. Use saved lists to plan your whole itinerary visually. Whenever you find a cool cafe, viewpoint, museum, or hotel, tap Save and add it to the custom list, like Paris Trip 2026, so you can see all your spots on the map at a glance. Number 3, use Lens or Live View to orient yourself. For those moments when you exit a station and have no idea which way to walk, use Lens or Live View walking directions. Start walking navigation, tap the camera icon, lift your phone, and let the AR arrows and labels show you exactly which street to take and what's around you. Number 4, search along your route. When you're on a road trip, you don't have to exit navigation to find fuel, food, or rest stops. Use Search Along Route to look for gas stations, cafes, or attractions directly on your current path, so you avoid long detours. Number 5, add multiple stops to your route. Travel days rarely go from A to B, so use multiple stops to build realistic routes like hotel, to viewpoint, to restaurant, to train station. Add your starting point and final destination, then tap Add Stop to insert everything in between and drag to rearrange your ideal order. Number 6, check transit, traffic, and busy times. Before you leave, use Google Maps to check real-time traffic, transit options, and how busy a place usually gets. Tapping a restaurant or attraction often shows typical crowd levels by the time of the day, plus transit routes and live traffic so you can travel at quieter times. Number 7, share your location in real time. For safety and coordination, share your real-time location with friends or family while you're out exploring. You can send a live link for a set duration so others can see where you are on the map and when you're getting close to meetup spots. Number 8, use Google Maps to make reservations. In many cities, you can book restaurant reservations and sometimes attractions directly inside Google Maps. Open the place, check available time slots, and book with a couple of taps so your dinner or activity is locked in without juggling multiple apps. 9, explore nearby and hidden gems. Use the Explore or Nearby features to quickly set top-rated spots around you. Cafes, bars, viewpoints, attractions, and more. Filter by rating, price, or opening hours to discover places locals love instead of relying on tourist hotspots. And finally, number 10, use timeline and trip history. Turn on location history and timeline to see where you've been on your trip. It's great for remembering that amazing hole-in-the-wall restaurant or tracking all the cities and neighborhoods you explored on one map. So there you have it. Those were 10 of the best Google Maps tricks for travelers. Download offline maps, create saved lists for your trip, use Lens or Live View to orient yourself, search along your route, add multiple stops, check transit, traffic, and busy times, share your location in real time, make reservations inside Google Maps, and explore nearby and find hidden gems. If this video helped you travel smarter, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tech tools, and comment below with your favorite Google Maps trick, or one that should be in the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next amazing video.